The days are okay. I watch the TV in the afternoon. If I get lonely, the sound of other voices, other rooms near to me. I'm not afraid.
In the heart of a desolate forest, a chilling legend reigned. Locals whispered about the ghostly grove, a place cursed by a vengeful spirit. Those who ventured in never returned. Skeptical, a group of friends dared to explore the eerie woods one moonless night. As darkness closed in, a malevolent presence enveloped them. Trees whispered unholy secrets. Shadows morphed into grotesque figures. Panic ensued, but escape proved impossible. One by one, they vanished into the abyss, leaving behind only haunting echoes of their terrified screams. The ghostly grove claimed more victims that fateful night, a reminder that some horrors are best left unexplored.
First, copy your text. Then go to 11labs.io. Paste your text and click the play button for the preview.
In the heart of a desolate forest, a chilling legend reigned. Locals whispered about the ghostly grove, a place cursed by a vengeful spirit.
Then click the download icon.
My view from the top of the moon, I can see the whole world sitting in my hand, I'm as a bloom. We finna break the rules, then we gon' make them too. I can't promise if I gotta stand tall, that's what a leader do. Follow me, I'm leading you. Like we finna turn up, cranked up the heat and they finna burn up. Told them I'm coming, I'm ill, tell them they time up. I said it once, I'ma say it again, this be my year. I ain't most on no film, I know that I'm built to a clue.